Okay, now here it is debugged. Now let's put our length. Length is 15 and our width maybe is 30, and then we can calculate. Perimeter returned 0. Okay, gonna change the values. Perimeter still returns 0. Let's stop debugging and see what could be the mistake with our perimeter. Okay, let's put the close bracket here. All right, let's back again. Ooh, coding is so nice. So we build errors. Okay, where? Okay, here. Okay, let's check it properly. We opened and opened this one. Hey, Jesus. Okay, how did I in here? Okay, hey, all right. Now, let me check to see again. Double, close, and press. Okay, let's debug and see. Debugging, it is debugged. Let's put 15. Let's put 30. Let's click calculate. Here we go. It worked. This is how you do your sub procedure. Difference between sub procedure and public function is that public function, you declare your variables where you are creating your public function. Now with sub procedure, your variables, you declare them on a global up here, and whatever you declare on a global will appear everywhere. Now with public function, you will have to come again and also declare your variables under the button. But with sub procedure, you don't declare anymore, for they are already on a global. Another thing, with public function, you have to return values, but with sub procedure, you don't return values. As you can see here, no values are returned. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe so that when we put more videos, you will be notified. And the previous video that we did was all about public function, as this one is a sub procedure, and then the coming one is going to be what should we do about. Oh yes, I did say that I have to walk you through arrays. Yes, it's going to be one dimension array, and then after that it's going to be two-dimension array before we go to text file and the stream writer and stream read. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Mzedaro Tondwa. Thank you. God bless you. You'll have a blessed evening. We have come to the end of our session. Da.